Dyson attachment problems fall into two main categories: suction loss and connection issues. Proper diagnosis is essential for effective repair. Suction loss has four primary causes. Start by checking the dustbin. If it's full, empty it immediately, as this restricts airflow and reduces suction power. Next, inspect the filters. Dirty filters are a common cause of suction loss. They should be cleaned every 1 to 3 months with cold water only. Check for blockages in the hose, wand, and cleaner head. Use a long brush or straightened wire hanger to clear any obstructions you find. The Dyson V11 makes a distinctive pulsing sound when airflow is obstructed. This audio cue helps identify blockage issues quickly. Connection problems often stem from damaged wand connectors. Examine the connector for broken clips that prevent secure attachment fitting. Verify that the wand connects properly to both the main vacuum unit and the attachment. A loose connection will result in poor suction performance. Perform a systematic connection test. Attach the wand to the vacuum, connect your attachment to the wand, then test the suction strength to confirm proper operation. Systematic diagnosis leads to effective solutions. By following these steps, you can identify whether your Dyson attachment issue is related to suction loss or connection problems. When your Dyson's brush bar stops spinning, the solution is straightforward. First, remove the brush bar from the vacuum head to access it properly. Clear any hair or debris wrapped around the brush bar. Use scissors or a seam ripper to cut away tangled hair and threads that prevent rotation. After clearing debris, check the brush bar belt for damage or misalignment. A damaged belt will prevent the brush from spinning properly. If the belt is damaged, replacement belts are available. These tooth belts are essential for transferring power from the motor to the brush bar. For unusual noises or other issues, use this systematic approach. Check for blockages in all components and inspect for loose parts that might cause rattling. Some Dyson models have a change valve that switches suction between the wand and base. This valve can become clogged with pet hair or debris, preventing proper operation. Regular maintenance is crucial for optimal performance. Clean your filters monthly with cold water only and ensure they are completely dry before reinstalling. Replace filters annually to maintain peak performance. This simple step extends your vacuum's life and ensures consistent suction power. For persistent issues, Dyson provides comprehensive support resources. Their website offers detailed troubleshooting guides, user manuals, and direct customer care contact information. Remember, Dyson vacuums are built to last with proper maintenance. Regular cleaning and timely repairs will keep your vacuum performing at its best for years to come.